This is where automation becomes intelligent. Hi, I'm Rahul Joshi. Today I want to show you how AI systems actually work inside n8n using a real example. An AI that reads a shipping document and decides on its own whether it's ready to process or needs a human to step in. Every AI workflow, no matter how complex it looks, breaks down into 4 steps: input, AI analysis, decision, action. Once you can see this pattern, you'll recognize it in almost every AI automation out there, including this one. Step 1. Input. The input here is a bill of lading, a shipping document. In a real setup, this text would come from an OCR step or a document upload. Here, I've pinned a sample document directly onto this webhook node, so the workflow runs instantly for the demo. Step 2. Prompt engineering. Here's a part that separates a working AI system from a broken one. Prompt engineering. If you just say, read this document, you'll get back a paragraph, and paragraphs don't automate. Instead, we tell the model exactly which fields to pull out: BOL number, shipper, consignee, vessel, ports, and we force the response into JSON. Step 3. AI structured output. That's what gives us structured output, a clean object with every field the AI found. Instead of a block of text, a human has to reread. This code node takes that structured response and turns it into a predictable set of fields the rest of the workflow can actually use. Step 4. Decision. Now the workflow makes a decision. It checks whether the required fields, BOL number, shipper, consignee, actually came back filled in. If any of them are missing, that's a compliance risk, and the document needs a human to look at it. If everything's present, it just gets logged and moves on. Step 5. Action. When something's missing, the workflow doesn't just fail quietly. It sends an email immediately, flagging exactly which document and which field needs attention. That's the payoff. The AI's decision actually triggers something in the real world, instead of sitting in a log nobody reads. So to recap, input, AI analysis, decision, action. That's the shape behind every AI system in n8n. We used a bill of lading here because compliance is a great example of the AI needs to actually decide something, but this exact pattern works for invoices, support tickets, contracts, anything with structured information buried in unstructured text. If you want to keep building AI systems like this one, come join the free school community, links below. I share free n8n automations, step-by-step setup guides, and the actual JSON file for every workflow I post a video on, including this one. So if you want to just import this and start customizing it yourself, it's already waiting for you there.